y Enoki es el conductor elegido.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Disfrutando la vida con Buena Vida. Welcome to Buenavidaroute. Today we're going to show you this lovely Airbnb house that we stayed in. Well, it's actually more like a gingerbread house slash cabin that we stayed in this lovely little town called Meanwood Village towards the north of California. Let's show you. The owner has spared no details. It is absolutely lovely, like these lovely log furniture out here, and it has a balcony that wraps around. Look at that gorgeous little welcome there. Let me show you the wraparound balcony. Here with more chairs. Two other chairs with a fireplace. There's 3 different places where you can actually do a fire. They also have a fire pit down there with logs you can sit on. And another table with 4 chairs. So if you come here during the summertime, I'm sure it would be lovely to have your breakfast out here. We were able to barbecue out here. They have a full barbecue. She even has a cooler, a trash for your recyclables. And when you come in, you'll be given a code. I'm not going to be showing you that code, but it has a code keypad. You put in the code and you come in. Come inside. Ottoman full of fluffy blankets for your comfort. And then as you walk through, it's got a small table for the dining room. We've been pulling it out into the living room to have a bit more space. A fully equipped kitchen with a great stove oven and anything and everything that you possibly need. I mean, some of the things are just adorable. Look at these plates. Right? So cute. Plus she's got all sorts of cute little knickknacks everywhere, like this salt and pepper shaker, little bears, and of course, because we love bears and nachata, we also were just enamored by this. She's got a cute little cookie jar bear over here that is filled with doggy treats, so if you come, you know that there's doggy treats there. We didn't find out until today. It's got a microwave, 2 ways of making coffee, and a great little French door refrigerator. It looks small, but it's actually very, very spacious. She gives you all the basics for things, so there'll be like oil, spices, salt, sugar, anything that you may need here as well. All the pots and pans, there's a blender, there's a mixer, so feel free to come and do a full dinner, which we did. Also, there's all these lovely candles, although she asked to please not burn the candles, and artwork from the places that we are going to be visiting here. So we went to Calaveras Big Tree State Parks, and today we're actually going to Yosemite. Again, all the little details. As you can see, the knobs here are a little pine cone tree. And if you open this closet, there is a washer and a dryer and extra lights. I'm putting this one back. So if you need to do some laundry, she's got everything. We went ahead and put all the dirty towels that we used there to make sure that it was easy for her to be able to do the wash. And then we come into the cutest bathroom. Turn on the light. Look at this. I love the towel holder. It's got these big bear paws on it. These adorable shelves. She gives you all the basics that you may need. She even has some basic medicines in here. Lots of storage down here with more stuff. And look at the curtain. Isn't it cute? There's even bear paws on the bottom of the bathtub. So now let's take you upstairs. As you come upstairs to the right, there is another bedroom that does have a door, so it's a bit more private. But let me show you a few more of the beautiful little things that she's got around. Of course, things like this lamp with the pine cone there, this beautiful mirror, the little antlers, the buoys up at the top with paddles, and all sorts of artwork that have to do with either hiking, camping, fishing, or anything like that. In this bedroom, you will find 2 beds, 1 queen size bed and 1 single bed. And as you can see, they're made out of logs. You feel like the 3 little bears. There's another mirror, and there's a little folding closet and even a workstation. So in this bedroom, you will find 2 beds, 1 a queen size bed and 1 a single bed, both made out of logs, so you can feel like the 3 little bears. It's got a lovely mirror, 2 little nightstands, lamps on the sides, a closet, and a working station. So if you bring extra clothes or you have a place to put your suitcase, there's this little impromptu closet, and it's got a desk. So if you want to come here and you actually have to work, try not to do that. But if you do, there is a place for you to put your laptop and be able to work. Again, with the most adorable little things. Like, look at this porcupine, right? And she even gives you some desk accessories. So there's paper clips, there's staples. Very, very well organized, super, super clean, and just about anything that you need this home has.
Qué linda cabaña, por Dios. Miren esto. Y Lenoki esperándolo siempre. Y este es el segundo piso. Miren, qué bonito.
En el hospital de niños en el gabinete, vamos a llegar, pero poquito, ¿no?
Así ni los perrillos, vea. El crimino hace, véalo, y mira y todo. Pues no, ven. ¿Cómo estamos?
Solo bueno, como dicen allá.
Y la chef que va a manejar hoy.
If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you. And to watch more of this beautiful place, don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. We hope to see you here next week. Muchas gracias.